that, I want to change the I'm going to change the text on this. And I don't know if I can or not. Let's go over here and look and see what this needs to be, and this is going to be tags, sheet tags, 1 through 3. Okay, so I'm going to go in here. I'm going to do my arrow keys again. There, ATTDEF, tag 5. Sheet titles. Okay, 1. Okay, middle center, 1C, 118, 90. Okay, there is tag 5. Okay, enter, tag 6. Should titles, change that to 2. Okay, middle center, 1C, 18, 90. Don't forget the 90. And enter. Tag 7. Oops, excuse me, 7. Should title 3 and 3. In center 1890. Here we go. There's 7. Okay. We're getting there. Now let's look down here. We have sheet number. Okay. And oh, what did I do here? 0.94. I screwed up here. I'm not sure if I can fix that or not. We'll have to find out here in a moment. Okay. Okay. And this is height 3.1. Okay. 3.1. Sheet index. So the first one is sheet number, and then this is. Well, these are sheet index. Okay. So I can either just stay this way, which is fine, but I'll show you one of the things we'll be doing different. So enter and tag. Oh, I am right. It's these tags here I need to fix. Okay, cool. Let's go look here. So I didn't screw up. Well, those tags should have been 22 and not 18. Okay, so now we're going to go to these tags. Okay, so we need to do a little work in here before we draw these tags. Okay, and these tags here are going to be drawn by as shown. Okay, I'm going to actually move this over so I can see it when I'm doing this, because that's part of my little problem that I'm having, is I'm having to jump back and forth. Okay, so I'm just going to go rotate this again because I like working in the horizontal. Okay, you could put the tags there, but nice thing about these are going to be 0, so I don't have to put 90s on them. And that has nothing to do with rotation. It's just that these go this way, which is a 0, and this goes this way, which is a 90. Okay, that's all the difference is. Okay, so I'm going to scroll through and get my tag, and this is going to be tag 8. And the prompt is going to be text, excuse me, drawn by. Almost easier to just type it again. And we're going to, justification here is left, it looks like. Okay. And is it, I'm just checking out, it's just left. So just left, not top left. So I'm going to go, I'm actually going to go, I am going to go middle left, and you'll see why in a second. Okay, and my height is 0.094. 4. Rotation is 0. And I'm going to put my little tag right there. Okay, I'm going to hit enter. And tag 9. And my prompt is checked by. Fine, I'll do a copy paste this time. Because I'm lazy. I'm going to go a middle left. And my height is correct, and my 0 is fine, and I'm here. And I'm going to enter, and tag 10, and my prompt is scale, and scale, and middle left, and OK. And one more time, and date, oops, excuse me, tag, and this is 11. Date, and date, and middle left, 94, OK, and finally, all the way down to the bottom, tag 12, and the prompt is project, and project, and middle left. Oops, at the bottom left, middle left. Okay, and okay, and there it is. Okay, now while I'm here and remembering this, I'm going to take this and I'm going to draw a line from here to here. It doesn't matter where I draw this, I'm just using the geometry. I'm picking my tags. I'm going to go move, and I'm going to go from here to here, and that puts it in the middle. Okay, and then I'm going to take all these, and I'm going to go move. I'm going to go from here to here. Okay, and throw my geometry away because we've got to. This is where the tags want to be. In fact, I think when we type in the rest of the text that needs to be over here, we'll be actually moving these tags around a little bit more. But let's finish our tags. Okay, I'm going to do my arrow to my point. I'm going to go tag, and I believe this is 13. And the prompt on this is going to be sheet number. Grab that, copy it, paste it. Okay, go to middle center again. Roman C, height. This time I need to change my height to 0.31. And I'm going to park that right there. I'm going to go enter, and I'm going to go tag 14, and V, and V, middle center, 31, right there. And last but not least, tag 15. I can use this again, so I've got it. See how lazy I am. And middle center, and OK. There we go. So all my tags are now done. Okay. All my tags are now done. And okay. I'm going to rotate this just for fun. Okay. Let me check this and see if I can do anything about my height. I don't believe I can. Please don't crash. And I'm going to help file over here, which I don't want. Okay. It's giving me a help browser. I'll pause this while this. Okay, so now we're going to block our attributes. We have all 15 of our attributes created here. We're going to block them, and we're going to block them in order. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. So you're going to see this go. So I'm going to go block, and I'm going to go tag attributes. How about that? Tag X. Select objects. Now this is the important part. Pick 1, pick 2, pick 3, pick 4, pick 5, pick 6, pick 7, pick 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Now hit enter. And pick a point, and I'm going to pick this point right here. Just any point would work. Go OK. Now, here's your attributes. Take a look at them. Okay. So that means I can just go in here. So I go in here, escape, and I click on any one of these. It is going to come up, and I can now type in my client's name, which is SBSCC Community College. Okay. And you can see what it does. I can just go through and do all of these, okay? All of these, okay? Now, what I just did there is because I had created these on def points by mistake, I just put them all back on 0 layer, which is where they should be, because otherwise they won't they do? They won't print. Okay, they won't print. Okay. So that is pretty much how we create those. If we want to do a little editing, we can type in Batman, B-A-T-T-M-A-N, and you can see that the text box comes up right here. Okay, and I think this one here, I want to edit it, and look at the text options I have here. Oh, see, I can change. Oh, I can fix it. Oh, that is so good. And go OK. And what were the other ones that I screwed up? Titles, sheet titles. Sheet titles. Pick that one. Go edit. And the height on the sheet titles was, I believe, 0.22, not 0.18. 0.22. Oh, I'm so happy I can fix it. And sheet title 2, edit, 0.22. I am so happy I can fix this without having to start all over again. And finally, number 8, sheet title, oops, nope, number 3, sheet title, edit, and 0.22. 0.22. Okay. Again, I'm just going to do Batman again, get back in here and just double check things. Sheet titles, edit, and 0.22. 0.22. Okay. And what didn't I do? You know what I didn't do? I bet you see it. I do. And edit. 0.22. Okay. And get back to the client name. Edit that. Notice it didn't change from, you saw me put it on Romans and it didn't stay there. Why? Because I didn't go apply. I did not go apply. You have to apply. If you don't apply, you got to start all over again. Okay. Now let's see if these stayed. So I think maybe you have to do apply each one. I'm not quite sure. So I'm going to go Batman and double check these. Edit. it stayed. So it did. It did them all, even though I changed all of those in different ones. Once you hit apply, it applies it for all of them. Okay, so I have fixed this without having to go in and start all over again. That is wonderful. And these want to be on 0 there. Okay. Now I can take my lines, because I don't need my lines anymore, and I could throw my lines away. Oops, got to make sure I don't grab my title blocks again. So I can throw that away and pick through. There we go. Now I'm going to rotate it back, because I got to see something here. And let's go in here, and we need to make some text here. So I'm going to go just text, T-E-X-T, and I'm going to go height, and my height over here wants to be 0.94. Is that correct? Oh, 94. 0.94. What is going on over there? Text. XT. Height. 0.094. Okay. And you can see that again, my height is being asked again. I don't know why. 0.094. Okay, rotation. Okay, and I didn't have a justification, so I'm going to get out of it, and I'm going to go text, and hopefully this is going to be right. And J for justify, and I'm going to go ML for middle left. Okay, enter, and I'm going to put that point right there. And 0.94, and I don't think this is going to come out right, but we'll go anyway. 0, and this is drawn, oops, D-R-A-W-N, drawn by. Hey, it is right.